From the provider Creatrek. Instructions and information on the box is a 4-pack of LED submersible lights with 2 remote controls. Parties, Halloween, camping, by the pool, anywhere that you want to put the lights, indoors and outdoors. We're going to show you a close-up look at the product. You get 4 pucks lights, 3 AAA batteries per, not included, 2 remote controls to run all 4 lights, 1 light, 2, 3 or more. Remove each of the plastic film to run the units. Opening up the bottom, you place in the 3 AAA batteries. When all the batteries are placed in, you have here is a large metal washer and an O-ring. Simply screw and tighten up to make IP rated. The remote control, 4 different modes, 16 different colors, brightness levels, on and off, and white. Point the remote to start the lights. All 3 will come on. If the batteries die, they will not work. Please replace the batteries. In the unit, you have a metal diving weight. The units are in out of sync. In order to put into sync, just hit the white and the lights go to white. This is the RGB color, quickly going through. RGB. We'll bring them close so we can get them all to go through all 3 colors. These are the 16 different colors. Going on the first mode. Going on the second mode. Going on the third mode. And going on the 4th mode. We have 4 dynamic modes: flash mode, strobe mode, fade mode, and smooth mode. On the top we have the light level to increase and the speed level of the 4 dynamic modes. So as we point them to the 4 dynamic modes and press the speed mode, they will increase or decrease the speed. The battery runtime is from 5 to 8 hours of full runtime. We're going to demonstrate this out in the low-level shot. We're demonstrating the light on, just turning it on. And we'll go through the modes. All 4 modes. And just pick a color. We have a bucket, submersible in water, that you take the remote control and you're able to turn it off and on and change the colors. Use it as a spotlight so you can see, and from a distance you could turn the lights on, as you can see in the water, and turn them off as long as you point the remote towards the light.